Hello, kids. Welcome back to Starbeam Kids. The way you learn, the brighter you shine. Today, we're going to learn about 20 pet animals. Are you ready? Let's start. This is a dog. Dogs are friendly and love to play. They say woof woof. This is a cat. Cats are soft and cuddly. They say meow. This is a rabbit. Rabbits have long ears and love to hop around. This is a parrot. Parrots are colorful birds. Some can even talk. This is a goldfish. Goldfish live in water and swim all day. This is a hamster. Hamsters are tiny and love to run in little wheels. This is a turtle. Turtles walk slowly and have a hard shell. This is a guinea pig. It's soft, squeaky, and very cute. This is a horse. Horses are big and strong. Some people ride them. This is a pigeon. Pigeons are gentle birds and can live in your home. This is a duck. Ducks love to swim and say quack quack. This is a goat. Goats can be friendly and live on farms. This is a sheep. Sheep have soft wool and say ba ba. This is a chicken. Chickens lay eggs and say cluck cluck. These are lovebirds. They are tiny, colorful birds that love each other. This is a chinchilla. It's very fluffy and fun to play with. This is a ferret. Ferrets are playful and love to explore. This is a mouse. Mice are small and fast. Some kids keep them as pets. This is a lizard. Lizards are reptiles. Some are kept in tanks at home. This is a frog. Frogs say ribbit ribbit and they love to jump. Great job, kids. You did amazing today. We learned about 20 pet animals. If you like this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss our fun lessons.